What's up, y'all? I just got back from a 1-month activation with the Army, so that's why I've been gone. If you've been wondering. If you've been wondering. But today, or this morning, yesterday me and Poopa decided to go on a hike. It's the next day. For some reason, my iCloud wouldn't download the rest of the videos we did during that hike, so I'm just uploading a little bit that I got. We're doing it again, and like we said, or like you're about to hear, it's longer. Next time we go, it's gonna be longer because we're going further. So I'm gonna record all that. I'm probably gonna take my GoPro with me actually when we do it. So sorry I can't get all the clips, but there you go. The camera quality not that great, but y'all can see them ducks. From the stairs to here to Hummingbird Garden.
Hummingbird Garden.
Easy. They don't ride.
We can do it in back.
All right, perfect.
Wow.
Wait, that's the... That's how much we did. See? It started off actually just being like, let's just go up this mountain, right? That's how I started. I just got finished with the range, so y'all gonna see that too. Bro, I readjusted to the head. I think in the video y'all see me kind of like readjust. I don't know how. I gotta fix my grouping on the head. The body's fine, but the head. Oh, let me show y'all. Readjust that. I'm gonna push even farther back. All right, 2 more. That's funny. You know what I'm saying? But we went this morning. We got up at like, I woke up at like 5:30. He got up, I called him. He was still like, I'm up. And we left around like 6:30. Got there 3.5 miles. I think it was 3.5 miles. Hold up, that car back. 3.5 miles. And we low-key became like an adventure. So tomorrow we're gonna go back. We're gonna do more. So I'm gonna record that too. So y'all better be watching. Went to the range with my buddies once we got back from the activation. Yeah, we went. That was cool. But then I was like, I want to go back and shoot some more. You know what I mean? Watch. Just watch. I ain't even there yet. I really just fell off and got back into it. I went to the range with them. It was cool. But I went by myself. That was probably, I had a lot of fun, you know what I mean? I shot 150 rounds. Even though it's not really, I don't think that's a lot, but that was cool. Like I met one dude, the dude on the right of me, it was 2 of them. One of them was in the Navy, or is in the Navy. I think it was like air traffic control or something like that. And then this dude say he was I think he was a Marine or his homie was a Marine, but he was in the Israeli army. And I was like, what? Like, you know what I mean? Like, and I hear him like speaking the whole different language, or their language, and I'm all like, oh, okay. But I mean, it was cool. Like, you know, it was pretty mellow. Nobody was bothering me. Nobody in there was acting crazy. Just chilling, you know.
Entire time going
Wait, you said what?
They'd be fucking full head just pointing towards us, looking, like, staring us down.
They do be looking straight at us.
Like, what the fuck, bro? Watch the road, dude. You're gonna crash.
I'm like,
And this dude's coming back.
they be driving straight across the street, dude. Look at this knife he gave me. Oh, and then she used to spread your peanut butter on the bread.
Hey, don't make fun of my knife, bro. It's a rescue knife.
This guy. Let's see. Like this one got it better. So like those right there are new leaves forming. This is a new leaf that haven't popped all the way out yet. And then this.
I like how you just casually said, "Oh, these are my Venus flytraps."
Hey,
Hey, you wanna see my Venus flytraps?
yeah, they look bad right now because remember in wintertime they like go into like a hibernation sleep type mode. It's called dormancy.
Yeah.
So like in like 2 more months.
Two stupid people. Go straight.
Wait, hold on. You go over here, so you gotta look. You gotta cut. So like, you gotta hit the corner. So like you income you and clear the whole corner. There you go. And then this one.
No.
Alright, here, I got it.
Look, you too far over. Some of it, I already saw. Some of it was my finger.
He was like, dude looked at me, he's like, and look in the background like,
I already saw.